This is the good things to check it out when the cold weather comes. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to check the pressure, because when the cold weather comes, the tire pressure decrease. Normally you have to put it in 35. This is the correct pressure. Another thing to check out is good to check the tire tread, because you don't want to drive in cold weather with the tires worn out. You check it like this and make sure everything is okay. Another thing to check out is the battery, because if the battery is not in good shape, it not have enough power, the engine going have a hard time to start. If you need to check the battery, come and visit us, Toyota of Orlando. Another good thing to check it out when the cold weather coming is the brake. You want to make sure your brake pads is in good shape. That's why I use this tool. You put it here and make sure everything is fine. Come visit us for check your brakes. When the frost come, the suns go early. That's why you have to check your headlights, also your brake lights. Make sure you hit this good before the frost come, for you stay warm and relax. Come to Toyota Orlando to get your car ready for fall. Thanks.